After 4 trips, 2 north and 2 south, NKP 765 and its crew shoved south of the depot to begin their maintenance routine. As much fun as it was to watch the train run, I equally enjoyed seeing the crew working hard to keep 765 ready for service again. If you ever watched Extreme Trains on the History Channel, which if you're watching this there's a good chance you did, then these videos will be reminiscent of Matt Bound showing us how steam engines are maintained. The crew quickly gets to work, as they have only 2 short hours to perform preventative maintenance on nickel plate 765, as well as switch in the additional diner cars for the evening train. How about a close-up of that grease action? This is a very important and skilled process, if you want to do it and keep your fingers. It takes a lot of coal, and a lot of water to keep a steam engine running. 22,000 gallons to be exact. Here, the crew has attached a hose from a local fire hydrant to fill with water. Once full, the crew disconnects the hose, so nickel plate 765 can reverse and couple up to the power car and rest of the excursion consist. The conductor of the 765 steam crew guides the newly acquired, former PRR Franklin Inn coach and the rest of the consist back, to tie onto the power car. Cleveland Terminal Valley Railroad number 4412 provides power to the cars, through cables that we'll see the conductor hooking up momentarily. And with that, our extended coverage of the nickel plate 765 maintenance wraps up, as 765 reconnects to the excursion train. This video is dedicated to the hard-working men and women of the Fort Wayne Railroad Historical Society, who made this weekend possible. Thank you all for watching, and be sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss part 3, where we head trackside and rail fan the 765 across Northeast Indiana.